Going to the store, going on an adventure, and you can't come. God damn it, Vera.
This is amazing.
No, there's a burrito. Burrito is amazing.
Everything is amazing.
The burrito, gotta eat some in. Wait, did I give my mild sauce? Oh yeah,
You did. We're driving around.
while eating burritos.
None of you is boss like us. We literally can't get the keys out of the car. We're gonna die. We're gonna die. Anybody out there? Just help us right now. Honestly, we're struggling. We're females.
Will you go in the store and get some lettuce and what is it called?
See what he makes me do. See what's going
Lettuce
on.
and some whipped cream. Yeah, whipped cream. No. Yeah, sour cream.
I am a man. Okay,
Yeah?
I'm gonna go.
Yeah.
Lettuce and sour cream.
Wait, sour cream or whipped cream?
I don't know.
Wait, is it even called sour cream?
Sour cream. Okay. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna go into the store now.
I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys.
The true destiny begins. Our adventure begins.
To the store!
To the store. People are looking at us funny. We better quit this mission.
Tree.